So we want A new, what we're looking for, to equal the total amount of money that Grant can count on getting from his friends after the second day of sales. So that needs to account for the money from the people who bought on the first day and the money from the people who bought on the second day. We already know from this equation we came up with earlier that he'll make $36W plus $22N from the initial batch of buyers. So that means the equation that we have down here still needs to have these terms in it. A couple of these equations don't, so I'm going to cross them off our list. Neither of these answers includes the money from the people who bought from Grant on the first day. The other four answers that are left over all have 36W and 22N as terms, so that's great. However, this first one only has 36W plus 22N. It doesn't have any information having to do with people who bought on the second day, so that can't be right, since we know that Grant will make some money off of that second round of buyers. To pick between these three remaining equations, we need to go through similar steps for people who buy wipers and people who buy nozzles, as we did in some of the earlier quizzes to figure out the terms in this equation for 8 old. We know that the price per wiper is still W, and since 51 more people are going to buy wipers, we're going to need to add 51W in our equation. This choice doesn't have 51W, it has 50W, so it can't be right. Then for the money he'll earn from these 25 extra people buying 2 nozzles each is going to be equal to 25 times 2N, since N is the price per nozzle and they each buy 2. If we simplify 25 times 2N, we actually get 50N. So we also need to have 50N in our answer. Both of these last two choices have 36W and 22N in them, and they also have 51W and 50N, so that means they are both correct. The only difference between them is the order that the terms are arranged in. This is just another case of the commutative property of addition. Awesome job! I know this was a really tough quiz, so great job for getting through it.